Natural language processing, bridging the gap between humans and machines. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence. It focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. The primary goal of NLP is to bridge the communication gap. It aims to connect human language with the digital world of computers. NLP powers many technologies we use daily. Examples include virtual assistants, instant translations, and sophisticated search results. NLP is an interdisciplinary field. It combines computational linguistics with machine learning techniques. NLP employs algorithms and statistical models. These tools analyze and process human language data. Tokenization is a fundamental technique. It involves breaking down text into individual words or phrases, called tokens. Part-of-speech tagging identifies the grammatical role of each word. This includes nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Sentiment analysis gauges the emotional tone expressed in text. It determines whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Machine translation is a prominent application of NLP. It converts text from one language to another, like Google Translate. Chatbots and virtual assistants use NLP to understand user queries. They engage in conversational interactions, like ChatGPT or Siri. Text summarization condenses lengthy documents. It provides concise overviews of the original content. Information retrieval uses NLP to sift through massive datasets. It delivers relevant information based on user queries. In healthcare, NLP analyzes patient records. It assists in diagnosis and treatment planning. In finance, NLP detects fraudulent activities. It also automates customer service interactions. In marketing, NLP powers personalized advertising. It helps understand customer sentiment and preferences. Ambiguity is a significant challenge in NLP. Human language is often inherently ambiguous and open to interpretation. Context plays a crucial role in understanding language. NLP systems must understand the nuances of context in communication. Interpreting complexities like sarcasm and humor is difficult. These nuances require a deep understanding of human communication. Ethical considerations are paramount in NLP development. It's crucial to develop ethical and unbiased NLP models. Bias mitigation is essential to avoid perpetuating harmful stereotypes. NLP models should be trained on diverse and representative datasets. Fairness must be ensured in NLP applications. This prevents discriminatory outcomes and promotes equitable access. Deep learning has significantly advanced NLP capabilities. Neural networks enable more accurate language understanding and generation. Data availability fuels innovation in NLP. Massive datasets provide the training data needed for sophisticated models. Improved understanding of language is a key focus. NLP aims to achieve a deeper and more nuanced understanding of human communication. Enhanced generation capabilities are also crucial. NLP strives to create more human-like and natural language generation. Accessibility is greatly improved through NLP. Information becomes more accessible to people with disabilities or language barriers. Seamless communication is facilitated by NLP. It breaks down communication barriers and enables smoother interactions. Ease of life is ultimately enhanced by NLP. It automates tasks, provides information, and simplifies our daily routines. The field of NLP continues to evolve rapidly. New techniques and applications are constantly emerging. NLP has transformative potential for how we interact with technology. It promises to reshape our relationship with the world around us. Thanks for watching Tadhem.